Hi, and welcome to February 2022 Astronomy and the Night Sky. This month's stars are the outer planets and the inner planets. February brings us a view of Neptune, which will be located just above Jupiter if you're looking early in the month. Okay, you got to look the moon on the 2nd. This is just after sunset. You'll see the moon in the west, southwest, and then Jupiter just off to the right of it, and then you got to look slightly to the left. Now, of course, you're going to need a telescope to see this, because the magnitude is 7.95 for Neptune during this day of the month. This really is the best viewing time for this particular outer planet on the 2nd. Moving on to another outer planet, we see Jupiter. Now, Jupiter is going to be visible for most of the month, but it's very low on the horizon in the southwest to west. And on the 4th, you'll have a nice picture of it in the sky just after sunset, and you'll see the moon just above it. And you'll see it wonderfully there. Jupiter will eventually disappear from the night sky. Also, another outer planet that will be visible is Uranus. Uranus will be magnitude 5.78, and if you're looking on the 9th of February, and this will be later in the night to the west. Once again, you need a telescope to see Uranus. This will be about 2 hours before midnight or so. A few hours before midnight, you'll be able to see Uranus in the west. Nice viewing with a telescope. Now, on the 16th of February, looking to the southeast, this is now before the sun rises. All right, so these are morning planets, what we're looking for. All right, now these will be visible in the morning for some really nice viewing throughout February. You'll have Venus, Mars, Mercury, and we'll see another planet appear very late in the month, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But for now, on the 16th, you have Mercury at its greatest western elongation in the southeast. This is just before the sun comes up. You'll be able to have great viewing of Mercury on the 16th. You'll also have it in alignment with Mars, which also is visible on the 16th, just before the sun comes up. And if you look to the left and above it, you'll see a very bright Venus, which has beautiful viewing for most of the month of February. Also, if you're looking for other stars, Altair and Antares, you get a nice little kind of triangle if you look down with Mars. Altair, Antares, Mars, Venus in between them, Mercury just below them. That's on the 16th of February in the southeast. Later in the month, on the 26th, you'll have an interesting alignment just before the sun comes up. This is around 6 a.m. You'll have an outer planet make a reappearance. That is Saturn. Saturn has not been visible for the entire month of February until the 26th, where it pops up just above the horizon in the east-southeast, just before the sun comes up. You'll also see Mercury very low on the horizon. They are all in a line from left to right with Mars, and then the moon. Venus will be just above Mars. Venus, Mars, and the moon form a triangle in the sky in the southeast, south to southeast, at right around 6 a.m. on the 26th of February. Now, Saturn's best viewing, believe it or not, is on the 28th of February. It will be just east-southeast on the horizon. Mercury will be right near it. Once again, you'll see, if you look to the right, you'll see Mars, and then up above that will be Venus. That is on the last day of February, just before the sun comes up. Our moon phases for February are: the 1st of February is the new moon. The 8th is the first quarter. The full moon will be on the 16th. That will be a snow moon, or a bald eagle moon to the Cree. The Algonquin called it the groundhog moon. I know, February's Groundhog Day, right? And the third quarter for February of the moon is the 23rd. Have fun watching the night sky in February. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Have them subscribe. Like them. Until next month, this is Astronomy. Bye. Bye.